how to start the walking exercise and counting calorie in the health app on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And on the home screen, swipe up to go into the apps screen. In here, you want to swipe across the screen and look for the health app. So it is somewhere in here. So go to the Samsung folder and open up the health app. Next, in the health app, you want to scroll down. And if you want to walk, you can select walking or running. So I'm going to select walking. So tap on that, walking. Now next, what you want to do is you want to set your calorie target. So here you can set distance target, duration target, or calorie target. So select one of the options. And then if you select calorie target, you can set your calorie. So for example, 300. It is a moderate walk. So we go down, and here you can choose pause when target reach, or you can turn it off. And then just tap on the start button to begin. So here, tap on start, and then tap on start workout, and then it will count down. And here it shows initially 0 calorie, and then you can just count down. When you finish the walking exercise, you can tap on the finish button. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.